Hello, my name is Sinead Johnson and I'm COO at All About Children. Welcome to your virtual nursery tour. On this tour, you will get a flavour of the environments and activities that your child will have access to. You will see that our nurseries are calming, homely and nurturing environments where children can relax and be themselves. Our environment and resources provide a traditional toy-based approach blended with real and everyday objects to provide authentic experiences to explore and learn. The idea behind this is to engage children, to investigate and create, to be inspired and excited to play. Our philosophy is an inquiry-based learning approach, meaning we teach from the basis in what children are interested in. To do this, we listen intently to discover children's fascinations, to make the most of the opportunities for them to learn both indoors and outdoors. Our staff are knowledgeable, engaged and interested practitioners who support every child on their own learning journey. Welcome to our nursery. I hope you enjoy your tour. We hope you enjoyed your nursery tour and we look forward to seeing you soon.